The pulleys on the weight stack tower. How to adjust them and why to adjust them. Put your hand on the bottom and just put a little bit of force up so the pin can move freely. Pull the pin out and move the pulley up or move it down, depending on the exercise that you're doing. The pulleys can also be positioned because they swivel. You can have it angled out or angled back, depending on what exercise you're doing. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you get the updates as soon as possible. Or depending on how busy this area is to accommodate the exercise you're doing and also others that are training in the same area. Why do you do it? The pulleys can be adjusted either angle or up or down based on the exercise that you're doing. Exercise selection for each pulley height exceeds the scope of this particular training video, but we're going to discuss this more in future videos. The other thing, which is very important, is that we have this pulley here. When we have this pulley attached to the weight stack, it will reduce the amount of effort required to elevate the weight stack. If you want to find out more about how pulleys affect the effort you put out to move the weight, you can check out this video here where we go into it in more detail.